Welcome back to the Wonder Garden channel. We all dream of orchid pots in our garden bursting with buds, blooming continuously and lasting beautifully over time. Today, I'm excited to share a new organic fertilizer recipe that's incredibly simple, using familiar ingredients. With this method, your orchids will develop strong roots, glossy green leaves, and vibrant, long-lasting blooms that can even flower year-round. This is a small secret with big results, making orchid care easier while keeping your plants healthy and full of vitality. So don't miss this video. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure your orchids thrive and bloom brilliantly. Let's get started. Prepare 4 garlic cloves. Garlic is well known for its natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties, inhibiting the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria in the growing medium. This helps your orchids grow faster, reduces root rot, and boosts their resilience. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. I'll finely chop these 4 garlic cloves to allow their nutrients to dissolve easily into water. Then place them into a clean glass jar. Next, I'll use another kitchen staple, turmeric powder. Turmeric has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, commonly used in traditional medicine. For orchids, turmeric helps heal root cuts quickly, prevents fungal diseases, and promotes recovery and growth. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder directly into the jar with the chopped garlic. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of boiling water. Boiling water maximizes the extraction of active compounds from garlic and turmeric, while eliminating residual bacteria and mold. Cover the jar tightly and let the mixture cool completely. To help an orchid develop stronger roots, like the ones you see here, the first step before fertilizing is to water the plant. This may sound simple, but it's crucial. Whether your orchid is potted, mounted on wood, or grown in any other condition, moistening the medium before fertilizing helps the roots absorb nutrients gently, avoiding shock or root burn. Water the plant about 30 minutes before fertilizing. This gives the roots enough time to absorb water, soften, and prepare for the fertilizer. This step helps weak orchids gradually recover, grow lush, and thrive. About once a month, you should soak the entire orchid pot in water. This is a simple yet highly effective way to protect your orchids. If there are ants or other harmful insects in the pot, they won't tolerate being submerged and will crawl out. This keeps the orchid pot cleaner, free from pests, and allows the plant to grow healthier and more stably in its environment. After 30 minutes, gently remove the orchid pots. This is a key step to clear dirt from the roots and medium. A clean, aerated root system allows the fertilizer solution to penetrate quickly and effectively. This small trick makes a big difference in care, ensuring healthy orchids and beautiful blooms. Once the garlic and turmeric water has cooled completely, I'll filter out all the solids, keeping only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. Next, I'll dilute it with 1 liter of clean water. This is the organic fertilizer solution we'll use to care for the orchids. Method 1. I'll dip a soft cotton pad in the solution and gently wipe each orchid leaf. This not only keeps leaves glossy, but also removes dust, bacteria, and mold from the surface. With regular application, leaves become thicker, glossier, and much healthier. The best part? This method repels harmful insects like spider mites, scale, or thrips, preventing them from settling on the leaves. Clean, airy leaves enhance photosynthesis, and for weak or wilting orchids, weekly leaf wiping with this organic solution helps them recover quickly, producing healthy, vibrant new leaves. This simple method delivers noticeable results, protecting leaves from fungi and promoting sustainable, natural growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. I'll pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist directly onto the leaves and aerial roots. Misting should be done in the morning when light is gentle, giving the plant time to absorb nutrients and dry out during the day to avoid prolonged moisture that could cause fungal issues. With weekly application, you'll see glossier, healthier leaves with vibrant green color. While organic fertilizers are absorbed more slowly than synthetic ones, they promote sustainable growth, reduce fertilizer shock, and enhance natural resilience. When misted onto aerial roots, the solution stimulates strong, white, and firmly anchored root growth. This is a vital foundation for stable orchid development and vibrant blooms. Note that organic fertilizers require patience, as growth rates vary by plant and environment. But with consistency, you'll see lush, healthy orchids with beautiful leaves and robust roots. Method 3. With the remaining solution, I'll add 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute it further, then water directly at the plant's base. Apply this every 15 days. This protects and strengthens the root system, minimizing root rot. You can also soak the entire orchid pot in this solution for about 25 minutes. Soaking allows the solution to penetrate the medium, encouraging beneficial microorganisms to thrive. This is key to helping orchids absorb nutrients naturally and grow comprehensively in roots, leaves, and flower buds. After soaking, lift the plant out, let it drain, and place it in a well-lit, airy spot during the day. This promotes stronger, whiter, plumper roots, keeping the plant vibrant. Results. After applying this method, you'll notice remarkable changes in your orchids. The root system becomes thicker, healthier, white, and vibrant, with many new root tips emerging. This is a great sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients fully and growing sustainably. Leaves become lush, glossy, thick, and full of vitality. For orchids that haven't bloomed in a while, you'll see flower buds reappearing, signaling an upcoming vibrant bloom season. Healthy from root to tip, the plant produces long-lasting, thick-petaled, and vividly colored flowers. Most importantly, consistent organic fertilizer use ensures not only short-term growth, but also long-term sustainability. with fewer pests and diseases and a natural, lasting beauty. If you find this method helpful, don't forget to like and share this video so more orchid lovers can discover it. To stay updated with more organic orchid care tips, subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel and turn on notifications. I'll keep sharing simple, effective recipes you can apply at home to keep your orchids healthy and blooming vibrantly year-round. Wishing you relaxing and joyful moments in your garden.